Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Something completely different today. Phone call yesterday. Local farmer, his tractor, his tyres decided to give in. We can't get, I'll tell you what, let's put this in highway mode. Get a bit more speed. Can't get a repair done. I think the sidewall's bossed out. Can't get a repair done. 2 to 3 days. Would I help him come baling, grabbing some bales in, some idiot bales? And hell yeah. Yeah, just done 30 hectares, I think. Oh, some dog walkers. Oh, let's get past them. Yeah, just gone back, done 30, say probably more hectares than that actually. I know this field in here, we're on 20 or 30. We've got 315 bales to lift today. So we got a load in this one, and then we got a load across the road, and then some more further away. So got the grab, the attached to McQuaid's grab on. This lifted him quite easily, and then I've got a twin axle trailer on said back. Tell you what, now we're up and out the way, we'll give you a bit of a, come on highway mode, come on. Yeah, we've got the trailer on. It's working an absolute treat. I'm absolutely loving this trailer. I'm gonna have to buy a trailer. It just next level. This machine with a trailer on, but with the reverse steer as well, like the bales are just a bit too long for me to reach all the way over, so I'm booming out, and then I'm like pushing them in, I'm jackknifing the trailer almost to get me right close. It's working an absolute dream, like yeah, next level. So yeah, it's absolutely loving it. So we've got a bale here, so these ones you just jackknife around, and then we'll give it a bit of a little grab. Just we haven't got the reach, so pick it up square in the middle, then I plonk it as far as I can go. If the farming dad's turned up, I plonk her right on the edge there. And then I'll just give her a nice push to the edge. First 2 or 3 are a bit of a pain to get set up. I'll think hauling, setting up the trailer. And then the rest is pretty much history. Got my axle locks weren't on, and then the rest are literally plonking them on, working an absolute treat, to be honest with you. I'd say the first few are a bit of a pain just to get that trailer set up, but once we're set up, working an absolute hoot. And just literally pushing, and then when we get the third one on, it'd be better if they were like piled up next to me. There was one where there was like 2 side by side of me, but and I could just sit and just grab and tilt, twist, tilt, but oh well, never mind. And then you'll see here, just plonking her on here. Give it a little tap. Oh, I won't do it that way actually. I don't want to rip this bale. A little push. the trees. These ones are a bit easier to load up. So just literally grabbing it. I suppose you could have it. I haven't got a bale spike, that sort of stuff. Probably might, if I get a load more weight like this, I might invest in one, but I haven't needed one so far. So yeah, bale spike, or I suppose round bale grabber. Just offer it to it, drop it, and then we'll give it a little tinkle and push so we can get another bale in, and then we're on to these ones. Move on. Probably, yeah, we'll get one on this side. You know, yeah, a bale spike and a tractor or load up might do, so, but obviously not got them. I think everyone else is cutting and all that, so I've got to just do a few emails, but I suppose I can do them later. So I decided to give them a chuck with this, get some good content as well. I do need to speed my grab up, but when you're doing trees or a bit more delicate work, I don't like a fast grab. It yeah, really puts me off. It's a bit too crashy, so that's why. Yeah, got it on. Where can we? So what usually, because I haven't got the reach and I can get them up high. So what I do is I load the trailer up, and then when the Jacob is finished with so here we go. So right, I've got my UTV shades on, proper cool shades. Yeah, so what I had been doing is I start loading the trailer up, I load the trailer up, and then he'll come up with the load all, a Merlot, and then he'll load it up really high, like the high stuff, we'll get them on, and then we'll take the trailer back. I'll start unloading one side, he starts unloading the real high stuff off, just literally because I haven't got the reach, and obviously you don't want to keep unhitching myself. Sorry about the camera. Yeah, we don't want to keep it unhitching myself. And then I put a massive pile there, we take everything off, he piles it all up, then I head back into the field, I start loading myself again, then he follows. So we've been doing that pretty well and pretty quick. To BH, we seem to be flying through it at the mo. Say 315 bales, so I think we're going to try and get them all lifted today. But you know, yes, it is a hydro dig. Got the towing, no need for the tipping, but it just shows a different application for the Pothole Pro. So if anyone's thinking what else can you do with it, it just shows, you know, the world is kind of your oyster, and it is a stable platform. I know I didn't have my axle locks turned on, but yeah, it's a stable platform to just keep lifting. So I'll tell you what, let's spin the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. Probably should have done that a bit better. Just chuck it on that one then. Come on. Yeah, so like now, obviously I'm going to get another row on at the top, but I am a bit stuck, if you know what I mean, about the reach. I don't want to start ripping the bales. So, you know, I can comfortably get to the next row. It's just the tell you what, we'll give that a little tap. It's just the back third row. I couldn't hitch the trailer, and to be fair with you, like the pin down here, what I have been doing, like down here, I have been like yanking her, almost jackknifing it, and then I obviously can get the reach more to the back quarter. That's what I was doing when I was loading, but there's just no need when we're on now. What have we got here? We'll go for that one down yonder. Glorious day in Bethany. And then these are the fields that we're going to tree shear as well. So we're going to put a bit of a jackknife on that, because we've got to just put them at the back, and then he'll come with his Merlot and load up the rest. Tell you what, we'll just boom it all the way over. Just trying to remember where the old one's finished. I suppose there's probably, if I did this more, there'd be a line you follow. But yeah, he just literally told me get him where you want. There's no real wrong way, right way, wrong way, I suppose. This is where I like, is where you can use the excavator to its full advantage. We'll get 2 in this bingo bango. I don't know, put in the comments what you think. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, like. Probably could do with pushing that one over a smidge. We'll use this bale to knock her over it. And what I usually do is just boom out a bit too far and then just drop her down. And I'm just going to tidy her up. Keep calling it a her, it's a she. Now I've got this one side of me as well, haven't I? Whereas I suppose like something like this, you load all struggle, but then you load all probably proper bale spike. I think Finalizing's got a bale spike and a grab at the top, so you know he's grabbing 2 at a time. So it is working pretty well for him, to be honest with you. And that's why he's loading up the big stuff. Thank God I didn't drop it off there. Could you imagine the embarrassment? I haven't dropped any yet. He says yet. So yeah, there we go. Quick 12-minute whistle stop tour. So yeah, thanks for watching. I've got to do another. What are we in now? So we're in about, I think we're about 100 in so far. So we've got another 115 square bales, idiot bales to go, and yeah, great weather for it. I don't think it's going to rain for a couple of weeks, so there's no real mad panic, but as soon as we got all the bales, then he wants it all shearing. So yeah, the sooner we can get on that, the sooner the better. So thanks for watching, hit that subscribe button, and hopefully you enjoyed a bit more different than traditional hydro dig Pothole Pro work. But yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully the views are good. You never know.